Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. And for this special video, we're going to unbox a brick of Batman Team Up Heroclix set. Let's go! Okay, so our good friends from Wizkids sent us a brick of the latest Heroclix, which is DC's Batman Team Up set. So first and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to Wizkids for trusting Pinoy Heroclix, and I hope I do well in this unboxing video. And I'm sure you've seen a lot of unboxing video over the internet in the last couple of weeks. So for this video, we're going to add a little twist, and as the thumbnail suggests, we're going to have a game edition unboxing of the set. The mechanics of the game unboxing is pretty simple. I will show on the screen 10 items that are part of my wish list for this particular set. Okay, and your role is to put in the comments how many of the 10 items I would be able to pull from this brick. Simple, right? Okay. Okay, so allow me to share my screen to show the 10 items I want to pull personally from this particular brick. Okay, so first one is a common figure, which is Scooby-Doo. This particular set is unique and novel because we will have here the Mystery Inc. gang in Heroclix form. And of course, I'd like to get the main one, which is Scooby-Doo. For the uncommon slot, I would love to get Bumblebee. Okay, so we also have for this set the Teen Titans Go in Heroclix form, meaning we have chibi versions of our beloved DC characters. And in particular, I would personally like to get Bumblebee. For the rare slot, I'd like to get Aquaman. I think he's got one of the best sculpt in the set, not to mention the shenanigans he can do with the tentacles. Okay. For the super rare slot, and I would say the prime slot as well, I'd like to get the Batman super rare prime. Well, not just me, everyone wants to get this particular figure, the meta piece of the set. So we can only hope to pull one. If ever we get a chase, I hope we get Scrappy-Doo. His sideline active mechanic is, I think, very strong, and he's so cute. For the legacy card, I'd like to get Commissioner Gordon. I actually don't have any of the legacy figures, so I'd like to get Commissioner Gordon because the figure itself was, I think, only a common figure, so it's going to be easier to get a hold of the legacy figure. For the equipment, there's only one, and we want to get it, the Batman's utility belt. If ever we get a ring, I want it to be green because green is my favorite color. That's it. For the team up card, I'd like to get the DC Trinity of Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman. Why not? And finally, if ever we get a mystery case file card, I hope it is which is which, because it's such a tongue twister and I love it. Okay, so before we start with the unboxing, make sure that you type in your guesses in the comment section. Ready? Let's go! Okay, so we're now going to cut open our brick. Okay. We'll reserve the team up card and legacy card a little later for last, because that can make or break our final score for the game. And let's take a look briefly at the front of the booster. You can see we have here Batman and Robin. Okay. Collect all 68 figures. Included is 5 pre-painted collectible miniatures, okay, 4 of which are figures, and then 1 construct, ring, or equipment. On the side of the brick, we see the Teen Titans Go, featuring Starfire, Beast Boy, and Robin. On the other side of the booster, we see the Green Lantern Corps. Okay. And finally, at the back, we see the Mystery Inc. gang, featuring Scooby-Doo, Velma, Daphne, Fred, and Shaggy. I really like what Wizkids did, putting their logo on the plastic wrapper. This prevents tampering of the brick, especially if you buy it online. So simple but effective. We're going to unbox the brick, starting from the back row left to right, and then we're going to move to the front row left to right. Let's begin with booster number 1, back row leftmost. And we have let's see. Oops. We have Raven, Red Raven, Catwoman, Martian Manhunter, and the Lasso Orange construct. Okay, I'll probably just put a picture up there for clearer shot. Booster number 2 is back row, second to the left. And let's see who we got. Okay. See, we've got Shaggy, we got Mask, Beast Boy, and our super rare, our first super rare is Freeze with an orange chainsaw. Okay, Freeze is good. He's one of the sought after super rare, and of course the chainsaw with the flurry and blades. Always good to have. This is a good sealed booster because you have the construct together, the proper construct with the lantern. Booster number 3 is back row middle. Let's see. We have Batgirl. We have Wonder Woman, Robot Man, our second super rare, Fatality, and the utility belt. Okay, so we got one of our items in the wish list, which is the utility belt. Still no mystery case file. Okay. Interesting. Fourth booster is back row, second to the right. And let's see who we got. To the best of my knowledge, this is the first unboxing video in the Philippines, at least. Okay, so I'm proud to be the first one to have a crack at this particular set. I know there's a lot of people here in the Philippines who likes to play DC. So these are a lot of trade items, perhaps. Fourth one, we have another mask. We have the Flash, Penguin, the rare Wonder Woman, and an orange spotlight. No mystery card. Okay, the beefy Wonder Woman rare. Booster number 5 is the last booster. In the back row, let's see what we got. We got Shaggy, Supergirl. We have Bubble Wrap, which is Aquaman. And our chase is also here, Scrappy-Doo. Okay, but the Scrappy-Doo is broken. Ah, good thing the dog is here. Good thing Scrappy-Doo is here. Okay, so we'll try to glue him. Okay, and we got the stop sign Violet. Okay, I think we pulled 2 of our ones in one booster, so that's good. Booster number 6 is now the start of the front row. Leftmost booster. Let's see what we got. So we are at 2 super rares, 1 chase. We expect 1 more super rare. Can it be the Batman Prime? Let's see. We have Scooby-Doo. Yay! Common Scooby-Doo. We have Velma. We have Jinx. And yeah, our rare is Beast Boy, the rare Prime. Okay. So 8 form Beast Boy. And Chainsaw Blue. Chainsaw is always good. Booster number 7 is from the front row, second to the left. And we have Harley Quinn. I see Harley Quinn. Superman. Good. Poison Ivy. The rare is Sportsmaster and the Fire Hydrant Red as our construct. And we have our mystery case file, which is the Man Who Laughs. Okay, that would be Joker, of course. Okay, so we're not gonna look at the figures, construct, and cards in detail. We'll probably make separate videos to highlight those items. We just want to have the unboxing done, okay, just to get our each covered. The 8 booster is front row, middle. Let's see. Who we got? I'm sorry. Okay, able to chat it properly. We have Starfire, that's good. Daphne, Darkfire, and we have Peacemaker, John Cena, with a Chainsaw Indigo. Ooh, we have a lot of chainsaws. That's good. No mystery case file. Last 2 boosters. I hope we get a ring, at least one. Let's see, booster number 9. We're waiting for 1 more super rare as well. So we have here Robin from Teen Titans. Fred. Yes, we got Bumblebee. And our 3rd super rare is Darkseid. Okay. Darkseid super rare with a lasso red. Okay. 10 pole. The best figure in sealed format, I guess. And finally, the last booster, front row, rightmost. We don't have a ring yet. I hope we get one here. Let's see. Bubble wrap. Okay. We have a clay face. We have Batman. Okay. We have Elastigirl. we have a ring. Yes. It's not green, but at least we have one. We have Mr. Please Rare, and the ring is the Blue Lantern ring. Indigo Tribe, not blue. Indigo Tribe ring. Okay, at least we got a ring. And we got a mystery card, which is Case String of Cut Burglaries. Okay. Okay, interesting. Okay, so we're done with the boosters, and we're going to now look at the legacy card, not for resale product. Legacy and team up. Let's hope we get something good, or what we wish for. Commissioner Gordon and the Trinity team up. Okay, let's see. And what we have is Martian Manhunter team up. And we got the Legacy World's Finest. Okay, interesting. I don't have this figure, but I think this is one of the stronger team up legacy figures for the set. Okay. Okay, so we're done with our unboxing. One last thing to do is to look back at our list and see how many we got. Let's go! Okay, so we pulled from our list Scooby-Doo, common. Bumblebee, uncommon. Aquaman, rare. The utility belt. And finally, Scrappy-Doo Chase. So if you guessed 5 out of 10, congratulations! You got it! Okay, so that's it for our Heroclix Batman Team Up unboxing video. Thank you very much for you guys who participated in our mini game. And I really like this set. Very interesting. A lot of value with the Legacy Team Up constructs. Definitely. Can't wait to get a hold of some more boosters. So make sure to go to your local game store, online, and other secondary market to get hold of your figures. Until next time, keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.